Motor control. So now you have a muscle that fires, and it has a particular job to do. It's going to pull at a bone in a particular direction using a joint as a particular axis of motion. So let's briefly talk about motor control. And motor control is a massive bucket of a term. There are a lot of words that I hear in physical therapy that get used, and they're just sort of like catch-all terms. Strength is one of them. Someone may say, I'm working on strength, but that alone is not nuanced enough to show real intentions. The activation we just talked about in our last video is a component of motor control. Motor control deals with the person, the task, and the environment. But for us here, motor control is going to be about body knowing which muscles should be doing the job of motion and which muscles are not only not helpful, but are actually making things worse. This gets into agonists and antagonists. You have muscles that want to create a motion, and you have muscles that want to create the opposite motion. But it can go even deeper than that. You also have muscles that assist muscles and make their job easier. Now, the muscles that are opposite, they create opposing forces or actions. If they both are turning on at the same time, the muscle you want and its opposite, then what's the result? If I'm on a seesaw and someone else is on the other side of the seesaw and we're both pushing simultaneously, we're both just sitting there exhausting ourselves. So the body not only needs to turn on muscles effectively, but it needs to turn on the right muscles with the right timing. Later on, we can talk more about accessory muscles that are needed, muscles that might not be in direct opposition to the main movers, but help in some other way to produce motion. Your parascapular muscles, for instance. It's a great example.